Now additive inverse of the rational numbers. Additive inverse of a rational number p upon q is minus p upon q. So what you have to do, you just have to add the number opposite to that number. Therefore p upon q plus minus of p upon q is equal to minus of p upon q plus p upon q. It is equal to 0. Okay, so you know what are the additive inverse? Additive inverse means just make the number as positive as a negative and negative as a positive. Okay, now see, add the following rational numbers. So it is minus 3 upon 11 and 5 upon 11. So the denominators are same. You just have to add minus 3 plus of 5. So minus 3 plus of 5 is equal to 2 upon 11. Okay. Now see here, minus 5 upon 9 and 17 upon 9. So make it as a standard, minus 5 upon 9 plus minus 17 upon 9. Do the addition of minus 5 plus minus 17 is equal to minus of 21 upon 9. But see, in the C1 both the denominators are different. So what is the LCM of 3 of 15 is? Yes, 3 and 15 LCM is 15. So make all the denominators as 15 and then add the numbers. Okay. Now here are the mixed numbers are given. So you just have to make it in a improper one and then add the numbers while finding the LCM of 6 and 4. Okay, are you understood everyone? Just see the subtraction of rational numbers. For any two rational numbers p upon q and r upon s, we find the subtraction as follows. For that what you have to do, p upon q minus r upon s is equal to p upon q plus minus of r upon s. Okay, just see. Therefore subtraction is the same as addition of additive inverse of subtrahend. What you have to do, p upon q minus of minus r upon s is equal to p upon q, you have to write as it is and make the addition sign and then minus of minus r upon s. So minus of minus, if the bracket sign, if the minus sign is out of the bracket, you just make it as positive and then add the number. Here additive inverse of minus r upon s is r upon s, and here the order to subtract minus r upon s from p upon q, we add the additive inverse of minus r upon s, that is r upon s to p upon q. Okay, just see some examples are given there. 7 upon 9 from minus 5 upon 9. So it is the denominators are same. Just simply subtract the number. Minus 5 minus 12, it is equal to minus 12 upon 9. So it will be reduced as minus 5 upon 4. Okay, just see here are the denominators are different. So you have to find out the LCM. LCM of 14 and 7 is 14. Therefore the number is 5 upon 14 and minus is make it as plus, and minus 3 upon 7, what is the additive inverse of that? Yes, that is 3 upon 7. So answer will be 11 upon 14. Okay, now see the third one. First write the number as it is, then minus of additive inverse of minus 7, additive inverse of minus 17 upon 26. Yes, see, I think it is given. Okay, minus 17 upon 39 minus of minus 11 upon 26. Then write the first number as it is, make minus minus as plus and the additive inverse of second one. Okay, in this way you have to solve the remaining one. Are you understood, student, how to subtract the numbers? Subtract the sum of minus 8 upon 7 and 5 upon 8 from the sum of 15 upon 14 and minus 3 upon 4. So what you have to do, you just have to find the sum of these two one and these two one. So minus 8 upon 7 and 5 upon 8. Do the addition of that. What will be the answer? This is. Then add these two numbers. What will be the answer? The answer will be 9 upon 28. Then 9 upon 28 minus of minus 29 upon 56. So first number is 9 upon 28, then make it minus as plus and additive inverse of 29 upon 56, that is minus 29 upon 56 is equal to 29 upon 56. Okay, now then do the subtraction, you will get the answer, that is 47 upon 56. Okay, So in this way, some mixed fractions are also given there. You just have to make it in the improper and then make the subtraction. Okay. Now some examples are also given there. Simran purchased 3 identical flower vases for ₹200. Okay. Whereas Pallavi purchased 3 identical flower vases for ₹250. How much extra money did Pallavi pay for each flower vase? See, money paid by the Simran for 3 flowers is equal to 200 rupees. So the money paid by Simran for 1 flower is equal to flower vase 200 upon 3. But money paid by the Pallavi for 3 flower vase is equal to 250. So money paid by Pallavi for 1 flower is equal to 250 upon 3. Just do the subtraction, you will get the answer. 50 upon 3 means 16/2 upon 3. So Pallavi paid 16/2 upon 3 more than Simran for each flower vase. Are you understood everyone? Yes, how to find out the answer? Now next example is also same here. You have to do by your own. Okay. Now see exercise 3.2. What is add the following rational numbers? So you know how to add the rational numbers. See the first one. Okay. Now a minus 3 upon 7 and minus 3 upon 5. So what is the LCM of 3 and 5? Yes, LCM of 3 and 5 is 35. Yes. So you have to make it as 7 multiplied by 5 minus 3 multiplied by 5 plus minus 3 multiplied by 7 and 5 multiplied by 7. So 5 is a minus 15 upon 35 plus minus 21 upon 35. So do the subtraction now. Minus 15 plus of minus 21 upon 35. See, both the numbers are negative. Then what will be the answer? 1 plus 5 is 6. 36 upon 35. The number of greater one. So it can be written in a minus 36 upon 35, or you can make it as in a mixed fraction also. Okay, so 35 ones are 35, remaining minus 1, here 35. Okay, so in this way also you can find out the answers. Now see the second one is also the same, that is 5 upon 3 plus 13 upon 12. Okay, so what is the LCM of 3 and 12? Just find it as 3 ones are 3 fours are, here is the 4 means 12 is the LCM. So here make it as 3 multiplied by 4, 5 multiplied by 4 plus 13 upon 12, because here already 12 is there. 20 plus 13 upon 12. So it is equal to 33 upon 12. So this is the answer of this one. Okay. Now in this way you have to do the remaining one. Follow the same method for the every. Now see the second one. Second question. Add the following: a minus 9 upon 10 plus 22 upon 15 plus 13 upon minus 20. Okay. Now see, for that what you have to do, you just have to first find out the LCM of 10, 15 and 20. Okay. Now 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 2 1 3 2 here, then again 2 1 3 1 and 3. So what is the LCM? 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 3 2s are 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20 and 23s are 60. Okay, so 60 is the LCM of that. So make the every denominator as 60, means 10 multiplied by 6. So minus 9 multiplied by 6 plus 22 15 4s are plus 13 multiplied by minus 20 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So 9 6 are minus of 54 upon 60 plus 88 upon 60 plus 39 upon minus of 60. Okay, so you can do it as minus of 39 upon 60. So minus 54 plus 88 minus 39 upon 60. Yeah, do the division, that is minus 54 plus 88. So it is equal to, do the subtraction, 8 minus 4 is 4, 8 minus 5 is 3, that is, here is the 34 minus 39 upon 60. So it is equal to, yes, 34, 5. So minus 5 upon 60. So the answer will be minus 1 upon 12. 5 ones are 5, 5 12s are 60. So in this way you have to find the addition of the remaining one. Okay, are you understood, student, how to find out? Yes. Now see the third question. Subtract the following: 17 upon 15 from 0, means 0 minus 17 upon 15. What will be the answer? Minus of 17 upon 15. Okay, now B, 2 upon 3 from minus 2 upon 3, just subtract the number 2 upon 3. Just subtract the number minus 2 minus of 2 upon 3, that is minus of 4 upon 3. Okay, now see the next one. This is also the same, you have to solve by your own. See the question 4. Solve the following, means here you have to do the subtraction. Now here you can see what are the denominators. Denominators are different, so make it as, find the LCM and do the subtraction. Okay, now simplify is also again the same question. You just have to add the number because here the denominators are same, and then subtract the next one. See the question 6. Write the additive inverse of the following. What is the meaning of additive inverse? Minus 4 upon 9. So what is the additive inverse of 4 upon 9? Okay, now B, minus 7 upon 8. What is the additive inverse of minus 7 upon 8? Is 7 upon 8. Okay, in this way you have to write the additive inverse of the remaining one. Now see the question number 7. Express the following rational numbers as a sum of an integers and a rational number. So A, that is 17 upon 5. So make it as 5 3s are 15. Yes, remaining 2 and 5. So it can be written as 3 plus 2 upon 5. Okay, now see the B1. Minus of 25 upon 4. So divide the 4 by 25. 4 6 are 24, remaining plus 1 upon 4. So here is the number minus 6 plus of 1 upon 4. Okay, now see the 8th question. If sum of the two rational number is minus 4 upon 11, if one of the number is 6, find the other one. Okay, so addition of two number is x plus y is equal to, if you consider minus 4 upon 11. Okay, if the one number is 6, so 6 plus y is equal to minus 4 upon 11. Here you can see the number is in the addition form, so y it is equal to minus 4 upon 11 minus of 6. Now see, here are the different denominator, so it is minus 4, then make it as 11, that is multiplied by 11, that minus of 66 and divided upon 11. So it will be minus of 70 upon 11. Okay, so what is the second number? It is equal to, y is equal to minus 17 upon 11. It is a second number. Okay, now in this way you have to do the remaining one, so follow the same method for the all. Okay, now see the multiplication of rational numbers. Okay, this is also the simple one, how to multiply the rational number. The product or the multiplication of rational number is defined as product of rational number is equal to product of numerators divided by product of denominator. Okay, same as the integers. Therefore, if p upon q and r upon a are the two rational numbers, then p upon q multiplied by r upon s means multiply the numerator p multiplied by r and multiply the denominator q multiplied by s. Okay, see, it is the simple one. Just see the multiplication. 3 upon 8 multiplied by minus 5 upon 7 is equal to 3 multiplied by minus 5 and 8 multiplied by 7. So 3 5s are 15, because one number is negative, so it is minus 15 upon 56. Okay, now see the third one. C, minus 3 minus 5 19 and here 19, 13, minus of 15. So make them 19 as curd, because 19 ones are 19, 19 ones are 19, and here is the number minus 3 multiplied by 5, minus 5 is equal to plus of 15, and 13 multiplied by minus 5 is equal to, cut the number 15, 15, here 1 is remaining, then the answer is minus 1 upon 13. Okay, so in this way you have to do the multiplication. See, here is the missed fraction, so make it as an improper. Okay, and then do the simple multiplication, that you know how to do the multiplication. Find the reciprocal. So see, multiplicative inverse of the rational number. So what are the multiplicative inverse? The multiplicative inverse of a rational number is obtained by interchanging the numerator and denominator of the rational number. See, what are the multiplicative inverse? So make numerator as the denominator and denominator as a numerator. So it is the multiplicative inverse, or you can say it is known as reciprocal. If a upon b is a rational number where b does not equal to 0, then its reciprocal is b upon a. You just have to, reciprocal means you just have to change numerator as a denominator or denominator as a numerator. This is called as the multiplicative inverse, or it can say it as a reciprocal also. Okay. Now see, find the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of the following rational numbers. 3 upon 7 minus 5 upon 11. So 3 upon 7 minus 5 upon 11, what is the LCM of that? That is 77. So multiply 3 multiplied by 11 minus 5 multiplied by 7. What will be the answer? Minus 2 upon 77. So what is the reciprocal of minus 2 upon 77 is minus 77 upon 2. Just make it as a reverse. See the next one. 3 upon 7 multiplied by 5 upon 11. So 3 multiplied by 5, 7 multiplied by 11, so it is equal to 15 upon 77. So what is the reciprocal of that is 77 upon 15. Okay. Now 0. What is the reciprocal of 0? In the denominator of 0 there is number 1. If we reciprocate 0 upon 1, we get 0 is the denominator, and we know that division by 0 is not defined. Therefore reciprocal of 0 is not exist. You know that? Yes. Now how to do the division of rational numbers? The division of two rational number, that is p upon q and r upon s, is defined as, what you have to do, you know how to do in the fractions. Same is apply here. P upon q division is converted into the multiplication, and make the reciprocal of second one, that is r upon s, is converted as s upon r. Okay. Therefore to divide two rational numbers, we multiplied the dividend by the reciprocal to the divisor. You see the examples are given there. 15 upon minus 36 by minus 5 upon 18. So what you have to do? Here the division is minus 5 upon 18. So we reciprocate it and multiply it by 15 upon minus 36. So first number is written as it is, then division sign is converted to the multiplication, and do the reciprocal of second number, that is minus 5 upon 18 as 18 upon minus 5, and cut the number which are be equal and which can be converted to the smallest one, and what will be the answer is 3 upon 2. Okay. Now 0 divided by minus 4 upon 5. So make division as a multiplication, and any number is multiplied by 0 is the answer will be 0. Okay. Now in this way you have to do the remaining one. You know how to divide it? Yes. In the fraction you are done already, so you know how to divide the numbers. Now simplify the following. In this some multiplication is given and division is also given. So first you have to solve the first bracket. What will be the answer? Then divide is converted to the multiplication, and then reverse is, or make the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal, and find out the answers. Okay. In this way you have to do the remaining one. You know how to do? Yes. Just see the next. Rational numbers between two rational numbers. Consider two integers 3 and 9. How many integers lie between them? The answer is 5, that is 4, 5, 6 and 6, 7 and 8. Now how many integers lies between minus 4 and minus 5? The answer is there is no integers between minus 4 and minus 5. Therefore we observe that in case of integers, it is possible to count the number of integers present between the any two given integers. However, in case of rational numbers, it is not possible to count the numbers of rational numbers present between any two given rational numbers. This is because an infinite numbers of rational numbers are present between any two rational numbers. Now, let us take any two rational numbers, that is 1 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. We will find 5 rational numbers between them. See how we are finding? First we make the denominators equal by taking the LCM. That you know how to make the LCM and how to convert it into the same? Yes. See, 1 upon 3, it converted into the taking the LCM 15 as 5 upon 15, and 4 upon 5 is converted into the 12 upon 15. Okay. Now we can clearly see that between 5 upon 15 and 12 upon 15, how many numbers are there? Yes. 6 upon 15, 7 upon 15, 8 upon 15, 9 upon 15, 10 upon 15, 11 upon 15 and 12 upon 15. So how many numbers are there? So therefore the 5 rational numbers lies between 1 upon 3 and 4 upon 5 are 6 upon 15, 7 upon 15, 9 upon 15, 10 upon 15 and 11 upon 15. Are you understood how to find out the numbers between the rational numbers? Yes. For that, what you have to do, you just have to first make the denominator equal by finding the LCM and then find how many numbers are lies between them. Okay. Now see, here example is given. Find any 10 rational numbers between minus 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3. So for first what you have to do, you just have to first make the denominator. Now you have to make the denominators equal. Okay. Then what is the LCM of 2 and 3? That is 6. So make the denominator 6. So the number will be minus 3 upon 6 and 4 upon 6. So the number between minus 3 upon 6 and 4 upon 6 are minus 2, minus 1, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to the 4. So how many numbers are lies between minus 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3 is 6. Okay. In this way you have to find the number lies between the two numbers. So insert 4 rational numbers between 4 upon 15 and 3 upon 4. For that again you have to find the LCM of 15 and 4. What is the LCM of 15 and 4 is? 15 4s are 60. So make the numerator and denominator same. The number will be 28 upon 60 and 45 upon 60. So between these two numbers, how many numbers are there? 28, that is 29, 30, 31, 32 up to the 44 upon 60. So you can say how you are comparing, how you are find out the number between the two rational number. First you have to make the denominator same and then find the number between that two numbers. It is the easy one. Yes. Write the rational numbers in the following patterns: 3 upon 4, 6 upon 8. Now you can see here 4 2s are, 4 3s are, 4 4s are. Just make the number multiplied by 3, multiplied by 2, then 3, then 4. In this way you have to find the pattern. Okay. Now some examples are given in exercise 3.3. Write 5 more rational numbers in the following pattern. That I already know. 4 upon 15. So multiply it by 2. Now you can solve it. First one. Okay. 4 upon 15. Then multiply it by 2. You will get 8 upon 30. Okay. Now 4 multiplied by 3, 4 multiplied by 3, sorry 15 multiplied by 3, so it is 12 upon 45. Then 4 multiplied by 4, 15 multiplied by 4, so it is equal to 16 upon 60. Then 5 means up to 5 you have to multiply. Okay. So 4 multiplied by 5, 15 multiplied by 5, 20 upon 75. Then 4 multiplied by 6, 15 multiplied by 6, 24 upon 90. Again 4 multiplied by 7, 15 multiplied by 7, 105, 28. Okay. Now in this way 4 multiplied by 8, 15 multiplied by 8, 120, and here 32. Okay. How much are there? 1 2 3 4, sorry 1 2 3 4, and again 4 multiplied by 9, 15 multiplied by 9, it is equal to 135, and here you have to 9, 36. Okay, so these are the 5 numbers. See the next question. Multiply 15 by 3 upon 105. So multiply 3 by 3 upon 105. So 3 multiplied by 3 upon 105. So make the numerator multiplication. So the answer will be 9 upon 105. Okay, you can reduce the number also. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, remaining 1 3 5s are 35. So answer will be 3 upon 35. Okay, now you have to just simply multiply the number. Now see the C1. 0 multiplied by minus 7 upon 36. What will be the answer? 0. If any number is multiplied by number, is answer 0. Okay. Now see next one. Question 3. Find the product of the following. So here 3 or 4 numbers are given. You just have to multiply the number. B, you can see here the number 0. If any number is 0 multiplied by 0, the answer will be is equal to 0. Okay. Now see this one. A 441 multiplied by 250 multiplied by 37 upon 21 multiplied by 125 upon 111 multiplied by 3 upon 5 and multiplied by minus 5. Okay, so do the multiplication of numerator, that is 441 multiplied by 37 multiplied by 125 multiplied by 3 multiplied by minus 5, and here you have to write 250 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 111 multiplied by 5. Okay, now see here which numbers you have to be cut. Just cut it and make it as simple. 5, that is here is the 1 is remaining, minus 1, then 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, yes, 125 1s are 125, 1 5 are 2s are 250, then 4 4 1, yes, so no number is remaining, so you just have to write 441 multiplied by 37. Okay, any one number is equal? No, multiplied by minus 1, so it is equal to 16 317 minus, because minus 1 is multiplied, then here 111 multiplied by 7 is equal to 777 multiplied by 2, so it is equal to 1554. Okay, now make it as a simple, you will get the answer. Okay, now in this way you have to do the multiplication. See the B1, here the number 0, that's where the answer will be 0. Now see the fourth question, evaluate. Okay, now see the fourth question, what is given? A 6 upon 55 multiplied by minus 22 upon 9 and minus 26 upon 125 multiplied by minus 10 upon 39. Okay, now see how we are solving this example. Just solve the bracket. 55 multiplied by 9 and here minus 26 multiplied by 10 and here 125 multiplied by 39. Okay, now see 11 2s means minus 2 and here is the 5, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so the answer will be minus 4 upon 15 and minus sign again, then 13 2s are 13 3s are and 5 2s are 525. So here is again minus 10 is there, so you have to write minus of 4 upon 1 minus 4 upon 75. Okay, now see here is the number 15 and 75, so you just have to subtract. First make the denominator same. So what is the LCM of 75? So write LCM of 15 and 75, it is equal to 75. So make it as 75 minus 4 multiplied by 5 and 15 multiplied by 5 minus 4 75. Okay, now here is the number minus of 20 upon 75 minus of minus 4 upon 75. Okay, now you know when you are subtracting the number, you just have to add multiplicative inverse, that is minus 20 upon 75, make the minus sign and make it as 4 upon 75. Okay, so the number is minus 20 plus 4 upon 75. So it is equal to minus of 16 upon 75. Are you understood everyone how to solve the examples? Okay, now see the next one. What is the question? Multiply the sum of 3 upon 4 plus 7 upon 8 and 11 upon 13 plus 5 upon 26. Okay, you just have to write it as, which one is the fifth question. Now first solve the what is the LCM of this is 8, it is 2, 2 3 are 6 plus 7 multiplied by 26, 2 means 22 plus 5. So it is 6 plus 7, 13 upon 8 multiplied by 27 upon 26. Now multiplication 13 multiplied by 27, 8 multiplied by 26. So 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26. Okay, here is the answer, 27 upon 16. Okay, now see the next one. Now you in this way you can have you just find out the remaining one. See the question number 7. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. So what is the multiplicative inverse? Just make the number numerator as denominator and denominator as numerator. So 17 upon 29, it is written as minus of 29 upon 17. 1 is written as 1 only. 3, first you have to make it at 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 upon 2. So multiplication value is 2 upon 7 and minus 1 is 1. Okay. Now see, multiply multiply 17 upon 11 by reciprocal of 5 upon 33. So 17 upon 11 multiplied by reciprocal of minus 5 upon 33 is 33 upon minus of 5, and then do the multiplication. Now divide 5 upon 11 by 15 upon 22. Just see the ninth question. A, 5 upon 11 divided by minus 15 upon 22. So for that you have to write first number as it is, make division as the multiplication, and make the multiplicative inverse of 15 upon 22 as 22 upon minus of 15. So here 11 ones are 11 twos are 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So the answer will be 2 upon minus of 3. Okay, or you can write it as minus 2 upon 3 in a standard form. Next, see the F1. Minus 27 upon 10 by 9 means minus 27 upon 10 divided by 9 minus 27 upon 10 multiplied by 1 upon 9. So 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27. So answer will be minus 3 upon 10. Okay, it is easy one, you can solve by your own. Now see the question 10. Simplify 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 6. So what you have to do, you just have to find out the LCM of 3, 4, 5 and 6 and then make the denominator same and do the addition and subtraction. After that here also 5, 9, 5, 18. So what is the LCM of that? You just have to find the LCM and do the remaining one as a division. Okay. Now see the 11th one. Divide the sum of 4 upon 5 and 6 upon 11 by their difference. So what is 11? Divide the sum of, so you have to just do the sum of 4 upon 5 and 6 upon 11. Do the addition, and what is the subtraction? That is 4 upon 5 minus 6 upon 11. Okay, what is the LCM? 55. So here multiplied by 11, that is 44 plus 6. So here is the answer, 50 upon 55, and then here again 55. So then 45 minus 6, so it is equal to yes 38 upon 55. Okay, now what you have to do, you just have to divide the sum, that is 50 upon 55 divided by 38 upon 55. So make it as 50 upon 55 multiplied by 55 upon 38. So cut that 55, you will get the answer 50 upon 38. Then reduce it as divided by 2. 2 25s and 2 19. Okay, so this is the final answer of 25 upon 19. Are you understood how to solve the examples? Yes. Just see the question number 16. Okay, now see the question number 13. The product of two number is minus 81 upon 91. If one of number is that, means we have to divide the number this by this. Okay, now insert 5 rational numbers between minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 3. For that, what you have to do, you just have to find the LCM of that two numbers and then find out the numbers. So the 13th one, the number is minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 3. Okay, so in this number you just have to add these two numbers and make the LCM, that is 5 3s are 15. It is 3 means minus 6, and here is the number 50 means we just have to multiply it by 5 3s are 15 and 5 means 5. So between the number minus 6 and 5, you just have to write the numbers, 5 rational numbers, that is from the 0, here is the 1 2 3 4, and here is the number minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Okay, so these are the numbers between these two numbers. Okay, now the 15th 14th one is also the same. Next, find 10 rational numbers between 0 to 1. So what are the 10 rational numbers between 0 to 1 is, you know? Yes. Now see the 16th one, fill in the blanks. Minus 5 upon 77 and 7 is 35, then it is multiplied by 5. So 5 is multiplied by 5 is minus of 25. Again 7 7s are 49, 5 7s are minus of 35. Okay, now 4 and 9. So 9 2s are 18 and 4 2s are 8. Then 4 3s are 12, 9 3s are 27. Okay, now see all are given in the same manner. Now see the 17th one. The price of 13 key chain is rupees 201 1 upon 2. Find the price of 1 key chain. So it is just the division. So here you have to write 17. Price of 13 key chain, it is equal to rupees 201 1 upon 2. So make it as 204 plus 1 means 405 divided by 2. Okay, so therefore cost of 1 keychain is equal to 405 upon 2 divided by 13. Then 405 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 upon 13. So here you can find out answer. So the answer will be 405 divided by 26. So it is equal to 15 5 upon. Okay. So here in this way you have to find out the answer. Students, I hope all the questions are remaining questions are follow the same rule for that. I hope all the questions included in this you are understood very well. Now all the topics you have covered, everyone. Now I think we have finished the lesson. This is the last example of the lesson. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Now we are meeting in the next class. Thank you so much.